Yes, we have done more. We have no TDG 02G. That's why it's same thing like that. I will put in this calibrate. I will move this to hard port or fully starboard counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Come. Yeah. 4 milliampere. Always like that. If I move to this one, nothing. Only in the same position. 4 ampere. Hard starboard. Nothing. This one, midship. Nothing. 20. Only that one.